Do you know that our Earth, Sun, and other planets also make different kinds of sounds? And have you ever heard this sound? If not, then in today's video, we will listen to the sounds of Sun and other planets. If you also think that sound does not exist in space, then it is not at all, friends. Various sounds are also present in space in the form of electromagnetic waves. Although it is impossible for us to hear them directly. But with the help of today's advanced equipment, the magnetic waves present in space can be converted into mechanical waves. That is why we can hear the sounds present in space. Remember that these sounds are taken from the magnetic field of different planets and are converted into sound waves. So come on, friends, today we listen to the sound of different planets. If possible, then wear the headphones so that you can hear this sound clearly. Sounds of various planets and celestial bodies. Sound of Mercury. Sound of Venus. Sound of Earth. Sound of Mars. Sound of Jupiter. Sound of Saturn. Sound of Uranus. Sound of Neptune. Sound of Sun. Sound of Pluto. Sound of Moon. Sound of Universe. If you like the video, then please like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the another video. Till then, bye.